Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn class 7 social science civics chapter 1 on equality. Here is teaching points. First definition of equality, second story of Kanta, and third equal right to vote, universal adult franchise. So now let's students start. What is equality? The situation in which everyone has the same rights and advantages. I repeat, students, the situation in which everyone has the same rights and advantage. We will read more about equality, what it is, why it is important in a democracy, and whether or not everyone is equal in India. Now students, let's begin by looking at Kanta's story. Let's begin the story of Kanta. On election day, Kanta and her friend Sujata are waiting to cast their votes. Isn't it good, Suja, that we can all vote as equal citizens of our country? Even Jain Sahib is standing in the line with us. Yes. In this line, Manjit Kaur, Teja Singh, teacher and traders, Girish Rao, students, Kanta Devi, domestic worker, Sujata Kumar, domestic worker, Abdul Rahman, artisan, Shabnam Banu, housewife, consultant, government officer, media person, unemployed, industrialized. They are all stand in one queue. Even Jain sir is standing in the line with us. Say this. Go on, Kanta. It's your turn now. I will vote for the candidate who has promised to bring pipe water to our area. Afterwards, we will see you later, Kanta. Yes, Namaste, Sahib. Guria has been running fever. She is Kanta's girl. I have to take her to the hospital, but I will have to finish the work at Sahib's house first. and asked for some advance. At home, here, have some of this, you will feel better. And when I get back in the evening, we will go to the hospital. Okay? It's no wonder that Gudya falls ill often. The basti never cleaned. Students, make sure to do the corners properly. Jain Madam said to Kantabai. And then, here's your advance, Kanta, said Madam. But don't make a habit of it. Kanta said, no, madam. At that evening, just a few more minutes, Betty, Jan ma'am and Jan sir may stand in line to vote. But they never have to do it when their children are sick. Students, what can we learn from the story? The story above begins with Kanta standing in line to cast her vote. Look again at the various people who are standing in line with her. Kanta recognized her employers, Ashok Jain and Chotelal, her neighbor. In a democratic country like India, all adults, irrespective of what religion they belong to, how much education they have had, what caste they are, or whether they are rich or poor, are allowed to vote. Students, this we are learned in 6th standard. Universal adult franchise. This we have learned, students. All are equality. First, students, we discussed in this story also. Teacher, trader, student, domestic worker, artisan, housewife, consultant, government officer, media person, etc. All are stand in queues on election day. And students, universal adult franchise we learned in 6th standard. Important aspect of democratic society, it means all adult citizens have right to vote irrespective of their social or economic background. Students, Kanta is excited to vote and happy that she is equal to all of the others because each of them has one vote. But as her day goes on, Kanta becomes less certain about what this equality really means. What is it that make ensure? Let's take a look at day in her life. She lives in a slum and has drain behind her house. Her daughter is sick, but she cannot take the day off from work because she needs to borrow money from her employers to take her child to the doctor. Her job as a domestic help tries her out, and finally she ends her day by again standing in a long line. This line in front of the government hospital is unlike the one in the morning because most of the people standing in it are poor.